Offense, plant the firecracker. On defense, defend your base. We're on defense this round. Don't let the firecracker detonate.
Kickoff. Power weapon inbound. Double kill. New power weapon in the arena. Heating up. One minute to go. Double kill. Triple kill. Firecracker planted.
Enemy team just lit a firecracker. Go defuse it.
Round one. Power weapon inbound. Firecracker taken.
Kill confirmed.
Firecracker taken. New power weapon in the arena. Double kill. Firecracker claim.
What's this? Is this anything?
Firecracker in the ground.
Detonation countdown underway. Keep enemy away from the objective.
Heating up. Victory!
Fantastic win!
Round one.
This is what we trained for. Capture the defensive zone, score. Let's dominate them.
Double kill. Guardian Angel. Power weapon inbound. B secured.
We've got two zones. We've taken the lead. Keep it up. Opponent is taking A.
New loss. C secured.
Opponent is taking B. Opponent is taking A. Opponent is taking A.
B lost.
We're taking A.
Double kill. B secured.
We're scoring on one zone. We've got two zones. We're taking A.
Heating up.
We're taking A.
A secured. C lost.
Enemy is scoring in one zone. We are taking C. Opponent is taking B.
B lost.
Opponent is taking A. Opponent is taking B. Enemy is scoring in one zone. We're taking B.
Double kill.
Opponent is taking A.
A secured.
We've got 2 zones. We're almost there. You got this.
Point.
Kill confirmed.
Avenger. Double kill. Triple kill.
We are taking C. Opponent is taking C. Enemy is scoring in 2 zones. We're taking B.
B secured.
We've got 2 zones. Opponent is taking C. We're taking B.
Payback.
We're taking B. Opponent is taking A. Enemy is scoring in 1 zone. We're taking C. Opponent is taking A.
C secured.
We've got 2 zones. We're scoring in 2 zones. Nearing score threshold. Keep it up.
Victory.
Don't waste it. Move into the zone and secure it to score.
Zone is hot.
Opponent is going for a capture.
Power weapon inbound.
Your teammate is going for a cap. Might need an assist. Good kill.
Zone contested. New power weapon in the arena.
Your opponent is going for a capture.
Zone contested.
Your teammate is going for a cap. Might need an assist. Capture in progress. Hold your ground. Your opponent is going for a capture.
Zone contested.
Your teammate is attempting a capture.
Double kill.